Gents, it's summertime. The weather is nice, lots of beautiful senoritas outside, and you're probably getting ready to go out.
Senorita, I feel for you.
Am I right? If you're not, then you probably should. By the way, what are you doing this weekend? Let me know in the comment section. You see, one of the real issues with summertime is that you come across so many people that you want to talk to, but I bet you just don't know how to start a meaningful conversation with them. And you know what? I thought about it. I was thinking, if I give you guys too much, you won't even know which one to use. So I went with the best of the best. Like creme de la creme. Gents, in today's video, I'm gonna give you 4 awesome conversation starters guaranteed to work. What's good, everyone? This is Kabeya. Welcome to the Gentleman's Fish channel. Number 1. Typically, most people use this sentence as a conversation starter. Hey, how's your day going? Don't get me wrong, it's good, but if you really want to engage with someone, you kind of want to stay away from a close-ended question. Instead, I highly encourage you to use this. Excuse me, I was just wondering, what's been the best part of your day? You see, what that does is, you're gonna get a broader answer instead of just, I'm having a good day or a bad day. Guys, try this and I guarantee you guys are gonna thank me later. Number 2. Hey, what phone is that? Gents, unless I'm wrong, please tell me, who doesn't have a cell phone in 2018? Exactly, that's my point. Most people are addicted to their phone. I bet the first thing you did this morning was checking your phone. Fellas, trust me when I tell you this. This right here, the second one, is gold. A third, give a compliment. Hey, I really like your sunglasses. Where did you get them from? Gents, remember, when you give a compliment, try to actually compliment something that the person is wearing. Otherwise, it might seem awkward and it could possibly be taken the wrong way. Hey, my name is Chris. And whew, I love the way you walk. Damn! Dude, your hands feels like baby powder. What's your secret? Oh boy. Last but not least, at number 4, this works like a charm if you're at a party or an event. Excuse me, what brought you here today? Gentlemen, the key about a conversation starter is that it has to be used in the right context. If you do that, you're in business. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Our goal for this channel is to reach 500 subs ASAP, so if you're not subscribed yet, please do so. Also, I want to know, which one of these conversation starters are you most likely to use? Let me know that in the comment section. My name is Kabeya. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next Saturday. Peace!